Sedimentation and decantation. Over here what we have done is, we have taken the muddy water, that is it contains all the sand and water mixture, and we have left it as it is for some time. After some time what we observe is really a surprise. We find that the water is a clear water now. How did this conversion take place? So we are going to answer this. Because the heavier particles were of sand, they had deposited at the bottom in the form of sediments, and we have the other layer above the sediments, that is the pure layer of water. So this is known as sedimentation, in which the heavy particles settle down and the light particles remain at the top floating above it. So this is sedimentation. Now if you want to separate it, you just pour it into the other beaker where the sediments is separated from the whole mixture. You have separated the whole liquid. Now this process of separation of sediment from the liquid is known as decantation. Now the next process that we are going to discuss after sedimentation and decantation is filtration. In filtration, you must have seen how the tea is made at our homes or at any shop. The tea is passed through the sieve, as you can see here. This is done to make sure that the tea leaves do not enter the tea that we are going to drink. So basically we are doing the filtration. Here the separation is done of the solid component from the liquid component by passing through a mixture, by passing the mixture through a filter. Now here you can see the filtration being done. You have to use a filter paper, place it in the funnel and pass the mixture of solid and the liquid through this. You would find that all the pure material out of the mixture is settling at the bottom, and all the solid particles are remaining, as you can see, stuck to the filter paper. So this is the process by which you can separate any mixture that contains solid and liquid particles. The solid will remain deposited at the filter paper, whereas all the liquid particles will flow down out of the funnel and get separated into the beaker like this. So this process is known as filtration.